Amazing information about the human body. Welcome to Healthy Bodies. We provide daily videos on a wide range of health topics. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you will never miss any of our updates. In today's video we look at just how amazing the human body actually is. Some of the facts are truly remarkable. Once you hear them, you will appreciate just how incredible your body is, and understand why we should always stay healthy. Fact 1. Heart. On average, a heart beats approximately 80 times a minute, that's over 115,000 times a day and 41 million times in a year. So during an average lifetime, the human heart will beat more than 3 billion times. It will pump an equivalent of over 1 million barrels of blood. Now you can understand why it is so important to eat healthy, keep cholesterol in check, and look after your heart. Fact 2. Eyes. The average person blinks approximately 20 times per minute. That's over 28,000 times a day and 10 million times a year. So keeping our eyes in good health, and well lubricated at all times, is very important. The fastest muscles in a human body are the ones that make the eyes blink. They can contract in less than 1/100th of a second. A human eye can distinguish between approximately 10 million different colors. Fact 3. Skin. Your skin is your largest organ, and the average person's skin covers an area of 2 square meters. Skin accounts for 15% of your body weight and has approximately 300 million skin cells. A single square inch of skin has nearly 300 sweat glands. Your skin is thickest on your feet, approximately 1.4 millimeters. And thinnest on your eyelids, approximately 0.2 millimeters. The skin renews itself every 28 days. Your skin constantly sheds dead cells, about 35,000 cells every minute. More than half of the dust in your home is actually dead skin. Changes in your skin can sometimes signal changes in your overall health, so it is important to keep an eye on your skin condition at all times. Fact 4. Nails. Fingernails grow 3 times faster than toenails. A fingernail replaces itself in about 6 months, whilst a toenail takes over a year. This is because the feet are farthest from the heart, from a circulation perspective. There is better blood flow to the fingers. Also, fingernails are more prone to breaking due to regular use, therefore the body ensures they regenerate quicker. Fact 5. Bones. When you are born you have 300 bones, by the time you reach adulthood, you have 206. Some of the baby bones fuse together, as our bodies develop. A human skeleton renews itself completely every 10 years. Fact 6. Blood vessels. Although blood vessels are relatively small, the blood vessel network inside us is amazingly long. If you laid out all our blood vessels in a line, they would measure more than 60,000 miles in length. That's more than twice round the world. Blood vessels are part of an important defense system known as the blood-brain barrier. A network of blood vessels and tissue comprised of closely spaced cells helps keep harmful substances from reaching the brain. The blood-brain barrier allows some essential substances, such as water, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, to pass into the brain, but keeps bacteria and other dangerous substances out. Therefore, keeping our blood vessels clean and healthy is essential. And do you ever get brain freeze when you eat or drink something cold? That is because when something cold touches the warm roof of your mouth, local blood vessels constrict to minimize heat loss, then relax to restore blood flow. This response triggers a burst of pain that lasts for a few minutes, or until the body adapts to the sudden change in temperature. Fact 7. Brain. The human brain weighs 3 pounds, and is made up of 60% fat. It is one of the fattest organs in the human body. The human brain has the capacity to generate approximately 23 watts of power when you are awake. Enough to power a small light bulb. The brain receives 20% of the total blood and oxygen produced in our body, and messages from the human brain travel along nerves at up to 200 miles, that's 322 kilometers, an hour. The brain contains 86 billion nerve cells joined by 100 trillion connections. This is more than the total number of stars in the Milky Way. And want to know why we forget things as we get older? It is because the brain is unable to filter and remove old memories, which prevent it from absorbing new ideas. Basically, our minds become overloaded with information. Fact 8. Bacteria. There are more bacteria in a human mouth than there are people in the world. The average person has about 5 pounds of bacteria in their digestive system. Fact 9. Saliva. The body produces enough saliva in a year to fill 2 bathtubs. In a lifetime, the body produces over 24,000 liters of saliva. Food molecules must dissolve in saliva in order to be recognized by taste buds. Saliva protects teeth and gums, lubricates the mouth, and helps regulate the acid balance of the mouth. Saliva is essential to the breakdown of food. Fact 10. Walking. An average person walks about 100,000 miles, that's 161,000 kilometers, in their lifetime. The equivalent of walking around the world 4 times. The average human walking speed is 3.1 miles per hour, and it would take a person walking non-stop approximately 347 days to walk around the world. Walking 6,000 steps a day will help improve your health, and walking 10,000 will help you lose weight. So there you go, we told you our bodies are amazing and it is important to always keep them healthy. We hope you found this information useful. If you liked this video, please hit that like button. Also, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you will catch all our latest health updates.